Lastly, sa bulong, meron pa tayo. Okay. Black tires, marami tayo. Depende na lang yan sa preferences nyo. Kasi may mga brands na preferred kayo or something. Ito yung animal. Then, kung gusto niyo ng camo version, meron tayo dito. And then, size 20 na version ng Colt and Vans. Primo, red tires. Meron pa. Stranger, black, pink, gray, federal. Need the people, activate, stick in. So, maraming iba't ibang klase. So, for specs and prices, you can check it out sa site natin, bmxcyclecenter.com, or you can send us a message, guys. Or, you can drop by the shop anytime. Pwede nyo ipakabit dito sa akin. Mas okay. So, guys, do check this out. And have a great day, guys. Bye!